Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to send location on Google Map. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the rest of the video. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the Google Maps app on our devices. And then here, we're going to find any location that we want to share. Let's say we find a road, and if we need to send something to somebody, we find it. We click on the dot here. And now we can even see pictures, we can see where it is. Now we swipe to the side. And there's share, click on that. Then we can choose any social network. It's Telegram, Instagram, Facebook. To share we can click copy. And then we can go to any social network. Let's say WhatsApp. And you can take this and copy, paste, and send. After that, we were able to send the location on Google Maps. Now the person will click on this link and they will have this point. If you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give them a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.